Okay, let's see here. We've got Heather Harold saying, I'm great. Jim says, I'm good and I'm ready. Art Colt says, I really would like mobile business. We've got St. John Martin saying, great. So, guys, you guys are part of an exclusive group we invited to this webinar. There's only about 10 of you guys here, which, look, that's a good thing. We're going to focus on highly targeted content for you, Tammy and Shane, John Slingsby, Jim Strickland, Heather Harold. I'm Nathan, CEO and one of the co-founders here at Heyo. So you're speaking right to me. I mean, isn't this cool? How many software companies you get to get on a webinar and talk directly back and forth? I'm really, really excited about this. Okay, let me check before we get started and ask how many of you guys have your microphones connected? Can you sync up your microphone so I can unmute you? Hey, Art Colts, you're unmuted. Do you have your microphone connected? Okay, Art, get your microphone set up. What about John Slingsby? John, are you there? Okay, John, get yours connected. Jim Strickland, what about you? You there?
Yep.
There we go. Ready to rock, my friend?
Oh, yeah.
Good, good. Hey, real quick, so folks can get to know each other on the call. Again, this is a personal, up close call. What's your background, Jim, and how long have you been using Heyo?
Oh, I had a long background. I was in healthcare for many years, and now I'm a headhunter full time. I work from home and sort of been doing internet marketing as a hobby.
Oh, well, we actually work with two different headhunters on the Heyo platform. If you shoot me an email, Jim, I'll introduce you to them so you can see how they're using us.
Yeah, I'd love to see that.
Good, very good. Well, thanks for joining us, Jim. Let's chat with Shane Johnson real quick. Hey, Shane, how are you? Shane
Hello.
Johnson, are you there?
Hello, I'm here.
Hey, how are you?
I'm doing good. Sorry, I was just away from my computer there.
No problem, no problem. Hey, look, this is a great call, nice and personal, one-on-one almost. Shane, what's your background? How long have you been using Heyo?
Heyo, I guess I've been using it, I don't know, 2 or 3 months.
So what's your feedback? Are you enjoying it? How are we doing serving you?
You guys are doing excellent.
Good.
As a matter of fact, I ran a contest last month, and I had some glitches, and called on you guys, and you were there, like, bing, bang, bada, boom.
That's what I love hearing. Bing, bing, bang, bada, boom. Let's chat with St. John Martin real quick. Hey, St. John Martin, are you there? No, Mike. What about Tammy Jorgensen? Hey, Tammy, you there?
I'm here. Hi, Nathan.
Hey, did I pronounce your last name right?
You did.
Good, good, good. What about you? How long have you been with Heyo?
Well, with Leisure and then Heyo, I don't know, 6, 7 months.
Oh, yes. I love hearing that. What's your favorite feature?
Well, I really like the new mobile app. I'm just trying to figure out all that. I got it up and running yesterday, so
Good.
yeah, I don't know, I really like all the features.
And how are we doing serving you?
Pretty good.
Good, good, good. That's what I like hearing. Well, Tammy, thanks for joining us. Let's get to the last person here, Tim Allwell. Tim, you're unmuted. Are you there? Okay, that's okay. That's okay. All right, guys. So, again, Nathan here with Heyo. Love that we've got a nice private group on today. This is when I give out the best strategies that Heyo has to offer. And today is all about focusing on Heyo. Excuse me, not on Heyo. Our Twitter name is @Heyo. But today we're focusing on 3 mobile marketing tactics that you guys can use instantly to get maximum visibility to your mobile apps through using strategic social media locations to increase mobile app usage, to convert foot traffic and create repeat sales, and most importantly, to increase brand visibility and really maximize your mobile marketing reach. So if you'd like to reach us on Twitter, guys, okay, we're there answering questions. You can tweet to us @Heyo. All right, Tammy, Shane, John, Jim, feel free to tweet at us @Heyo and use the hashtag YoMobile. YoMobile, okay? It's fun to say, YoMobile. Very good. Okay, so first things first, this is going to be a very, very interactive webinar. I want all of you guys to grab your phones right now and hold them in your right hand. Type yes in the questions once you have your phone in your right hand. Jim's got his phone. Tammy's got her phone. Heather's got her phone. Shane's good to go. What about the rest of you? Does everyone have their phone in their right hand? Art's good to go. What about Keith Vashon? Keith, you with us? John's good to go. I'll wait for you guys. Tim Allwell, you got your phone with you? Everyone got their phone. Good. What I want you to do is pull it on out and scan this QR code. All right? Scan this QR code and then tell me what you see on the other side. We're going to communicate all the strategies on this webinar via QR codes in mobile. We thought that was most appropriate. So scan that QR code, and on the other side, we're going to reveal 2 locations to you, 2 social media locations that you can use and leverage to drive a significant amount of traffic to your mobile app. So scan the QR code, and we'll reveal exactly where those at. Tammy Jorgensen said, I'm a scanning virgin. How do I do this? Tammy, you'll want to go in the App Store and download a QR code reader. QR code reader. Okay? When you scan that, and I'm going to do it with you guys, okay? Give me 1 second. So when you scan that, you're going to see a Heyo demo mobile app. And you're going to see 3 tabs there. One's called QR code, one's called max reach, and one is called SM locations, okay? Was everyone able to scan it? Type yes if you were able to scan it. Again, QR code reader is the app you want to download to your phone. Type yes if you're able to scan the QR code and you've got the Heyo demo page mobile app opened on your phone. Is everyone with me? Type yes in the questions. See, that's the cool thing about a private, small webinar like this. I can check in with each one of you one-on-one. So, Heather Harold, are you with us? Keith Vashon, you with us, man? What about Tim Allwell? Are you following along? Tammy, are you with us? John, were you able to scan the QR code? Are you following? Okay, good, Keith. Keith is with us. Tammy's working on it. John, yeah, John, it's QR code reader, okay, or QR scanner, QR code scanner. All right, so once you've opened this, I want you to click the SM locations box, the SM locations box in the app. And what you see here is what I'm about to review. This is what you're going to see. There's 2 locations here where you can feature a link to your mobile app. So when people open, we've got a screenshot here, okay, of a mobile, the Facebook mobile. Notice where we chose to put the about, and in the about portion, we put a link right to our mobile Heyo app. So if I was using the Facebook app and I came to your fan page, I could click that link and seamlessly go experience your Heyo created mobile application. The other fantastic place to put a link to your mobile app is right here in your Twitter headline, m.heyo.com/whatever that link is. So now when your potential customers come across your fan page or your Twitter page via their mobile device, they'll have a quick and easy way to engage with you via your mobile app created with Heyo. Heather, Tammy, Keith, John, Tim, does that all make sense? I'm going to focus on quick, actionable items you guys can use. You guys like that? Tammy Jorgensen, St. John Martin, make sense? Keith, John Slingsby, Jim Strickland, Art Colts, you guys with me again? Good. Keith said cool. Tammy said yes. Jim said yes. John says, can I see the code again to scan it? Yep, scan that code. Okay. Okay, Tammy, you're unmuted. Did that all make sense?
Yeah, what's the SM location for again?
That's the social media location. So if you scan this QR code, it'll take you right to the strategies on your screen.
Okay, so is that different than your Heyo demo page?
Yeah, on the Heyo demo page, when you scan that, it takes you into the full Heyo app.
Okay.
If you scan this, it'll take you right into the portion
Okay,
where it'll show you these two strategies.
I'm gonna do that now. Can you go back to that? Okay, 1 second. Okay.
Everybody with me? So Tammy, you've got those strategies right there now, okay?
Yep.
Great. Okay, second. The second is obviously all about QR codes, right? We're obviously leveraging those in the presentation today. I want you guys now to scan the one here on my screen, and I'm going to show you a strategy you can use to promote, let's say, one of your mobile deals in your mobile app. So go ahead and scan the QR code you see on my screen. Tammy, don't you feel so hip and cool doing this? So progressive?
Yeah, I'm just trying to be quick, keep up with you.
So let's say you're a wine shop, right? Let's say you're a wine shop. You could print off a sign that looks like this, put it up in your store window, and passerbys, when they scan, could go right into that mobile deal that you created with the mobile app on Heyo. So if you're a real estate agent, you could put this up at an open house for people to scan the QR code to get more pictures, which you put into your Heyo mobile app via Facebook albums. All right, Tammy?
Mm.
Now, only
Awesome. This is really awesome.
9 out of the 12 are watching right now. I don't want you guys to miss this, okay? So focus on my screen here. These are strategies. I'm only focused on highly valuable strategies. You use these. You can go use them for your own business or sell them to people you consult with, okay? John Slingsby, you're unmuted. What do you think, man?
Pretty cool.
You see yourself using these?
Absolutely, once I figure it out.
Good, good. Jim Strickland, what about you? Okay, let's try Keith Vashon real quick. Keith, you're unmuted. Is all this making sense?
Yeah, can you hear me?
I can hear you great.
Wow. Yeah, it is. I'm following. It's cool.
Good. Any questions?
Not yet. No.
Okay, good. Okay, Shane Johnson. Shane, you're unmuted. Are you with me?
I'm here.
Good, good. You're enjoying these strategies? Really actionable, right?
Loving it.
Good. Good, good, good. Okay, fantastic. So that was number 2, okay? Let's jump in now to number 3, okay? Art said, this is the exact kind of content I'm looking for, how to promote a mobile app. You know, this is all great. Let's talk about really maximizing the visibility. How do you max the visibility of these mobile apps on your fan page? Again, pull out your phones and give this a scan. Pull out your phones and give this a scan. And I'm going to reveal to you a brilliant strategy for you to get maximum visibility right into this mobile application you've created with Heyo. Okay, has everyone done it? Everyone did it? Here's the strategy, right? If people are using the Facebook app on their phone and they go to your fan page, they can see your latest updates, but the screen's really small. So how do you feature your mobile app that you've created? Well, put it in an update and pin it to the top of your page. You'll see here we've used Herb's Hurricane Helpers, and the update was download our mobile app for your free consultation. Show this to your personal home inspector to claim the deal. So if you're in New York and you got hit by Hurricane Sandy, and you're looking for insurance or inspections, you could click this link and it would take you right into the mobile app. Notice it was created with Heyo. And you could get a deal and save on any insurance information or inspector information you need for your house or items that you may have lost. So pinning it to the top of your page is huge. Pinning it to the top of your page is huge. Okay? Guys, can you see yourself using that? Art Colts, does that make sense? Tammy, St. John Martin, Shane Johnson, guys, yes or no? Does that all make sense? Art said, sure does. John Sling said, how do you pin to the top? How do you do it? Let me show you. I'll go into the Heyo fan page. And we'll scroll down. Richard Branson was tweeting back and forth with us today. How cool is that? Okay, so let's say we wanted to pin, well, it already is pinned. Let's go, let me show you how to pin it, okay? You click the little button right here. Everyone see this? Make sure you're looking at my screen or you're going to miss this button. Click that pencil. And then type pin, or excuse me, click pin to top. When you do that, and we've already done it with Branson post, it'll put a little flag on it, okay? And once you've done that, it'll stick to the top of your post, or your top of your page. Okay, so if you post more updates, they'll show up below the pinned post. Think of it like a sticky post. Stay to the Okay, it'll stay to the top of your page. Jim, did that answer your question? Sticks for up to, I think it's 3 days. Okay, you can pin a post, it might be actually 7 days. 7 days, okay? So then you just post a new update and then repin it. Okay? So, Keith, guys, I want you to ask me some questions here. Does everyone understand this? Exactly how to do this? All right? Does everyone understand exactly how to do this? Keith, you're unmuted. You're good to go, bud?
Yeah, I didn't know how long it would pin for, and I had heard about it. Didn't know how to know now.
Good, good. Hey, what's your background, Keith? I don't think we've met before.
I work at a radio.
Oh, fantastic! Yeah, you have a radio voice for sure.
Oh, thanks. Actually, at doing this for others. I don't know if it's going to be reselling it or just helping people out with it, but I'm interested in the way it works, but more, you know.
Fantastic. Yeah, reselling this is huge, huge. Okay, Jim Strickland said, is it possible to create a link from a mobile website that showed a Facebook tab page? Anyone know the answer to that? Is it possible to create a link from a mobile website that shows a Facebook tab page? Tammy's like, ooh, I know what the answer. I'm muted. What's the answer?
Yes.
How?
Well, you tab and then your tabs, and then when you launch your mobile app, it automatically, if you select those apps as being on your home page, it automatically comes up.
So what I want to do at this point in the webinar, guys, is actually do this with you. So I want everyone to follow me. Let's all go to heyo.com. Just can everyone log on and let me know when you're at your dashboard, okay? Now I'm assuming that everyone listening right now, you're already a Heyo. Everyone's already a customer, right? Is anyone, type no if you're not. So everyone should be on the dashboard page now. St. John Martin, Shane Johnson, Keith Vashon, are you guys all on your dashboard? John Slingsby, Jim Strickland, Heather Harold, Art Colts, you guys all on the dashboard? Okay, Keith is logging in. We'll wait for Keith. Jim Strickland said, yep. Shane Johnson said, no, I'll just watch. Okay, no problem, Shane. Okay, once you're logged in, you're going to want to click Edit or Create under the fan page you'd like to build a mobile app for. So we'll do this Greek cuisine one. We'll click Edit. Let's go. Okay, so, Tammy, let's answer the question. Let's answer Jim's question again. Walk me through what I would do to show my fan page tabs in the mobile app here.
Okay, so, so if you go down to, let me just see if I remember this correctly. Go down to where it has photos down here on your menu. Click that. Okay, so now where's your tabs? Oh, go to your, click on your, yeah. I guess I can't explain it too well because when I created my tabs and when I published my mobile, my tabs automatically came up. So
this software is so smart we do it for you.
yeah.
So here's how you do it. Click
Sorry.
Widgets. That's okay, Tammy. Click Widgets. Click Edit under Fan Page Tabs. You might have to reconnect.
Yeah, I didn't do it this way.
Which is what I'll do. Okay. And once you do that, or Tammy, you may have clicked the F at the bottom.
Yeah, maybe, yeah.
Yep, right here. So I haven't created any, which is why they're not showing up. Let me go to a fan page that I have created some for. So notice here for Carrie, she's got 2 tabs featured here, Jim. And Tammy, why is this so powerful in Heyo? Why is it so powerful?
Why is it so powerful in Heyo?
So you realize you can't do this anywhere else. Facebook doesn't do this.
Yeah, well, it's just a different way to drive traffic to your Facebook page or to your product.
Mm-hmm. All right, so this, you can't do this though with Facebook. The only way to bring fan page tabs into a mobile device is to use Heyo. Okay, Jim? Great question. John Slingsby just asked, how do we get traffic to find this? Well, John, that's what we just went over. 3 different ways. That's what we just went through. Okay? Again, use strategic systems, so Twitter and Facebook out sections. Okay? Convert foot traffic into repeat sales with a QR code and a deal. And then increase visibility by posting a link to the mobile app and pin it to the top of your fan page. It does not have to be Facebook. Okay? So if you guys are now, what do you guys currently just type in what you're currently using? 1 mobile app in a white label, 2 mobile apps, 3 mobile apps. Type in the questions right now. Are you using, how many mobile apps and are yes or no are you using white label or not? So Tammy, you're using 3, you said?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay, great. So Jim Strickland, yet. Okay, same with cities in testing. Tammy, you've already done it. Tell Jim and Art Colts and Keith Vashon who are thinking about purchasing what your experience has been like.
And awesome. It's It's really easy to use. It doesn't, once you get the hang of it goes really quickly.
So is it as easy as I make it look?
Yeah, it's as easy as you make it look. You have little bumps, but everybody's figuring it out, and usually it's just a really quick fix if you can't figure something out.
Yep, that's exactly right. So what I'll do, guys, I'll show you. You know, the crazy thing is, when you think about this, I put this slide in here to just give you guys a reference. Mobile apps like this, I mean, they're expensive. They're really expensive. You can see on my screen, you can hire a firm, right? They charge as low as $1,000, right? That's expensive. Or you can work with a guy like this off the desk for $50 a month. I mean, $50 an hour. A mobile app, that takes, a dozen, 2, 3, 4 dozen hours to build a mobile app. This is not easy, and it's not cheap. So it's really, really expensive. So, Jim Strickland and Art Colts, Keith Bashan, or Heather Harold, all of you guys that are watching right now, when you're logged onto your Heyo account and you go to your Heyo dashboard, so you're right here on your Heyo dashboard, right? You go up to pricing, and on this page you can do what Tammy has already chosen to do, which is you can scroll down here to mobile, and Tammy is doing 2 to 3 mobile apps, but you can just select one app, or 2 to 3, or 4 to 10, right? So we'll select 2 to 3 apps, which is $13 a month, and then if you want to remove white label, which means it won't say powered by Heyo, you can click white label here. So the total, and that is $40 a month, right? So 40 plus 13 allows you to build 3 mobile apps, totally white label. You can get there by going to your dashboard and clicking pricing in the upper right. Now, Tammy, when you did this, how long did it take you to build and publish your first mobile app?
My first.
Your first mobile app from start to finish.
Well,
How long did that?
Publish it or just to publish it?
To publish it.
Oh, it takes like a second to publish it.
Sorry, create and publish.
My first one, just because I had lots of different items on it, it probably took me a couple hours.
Okay, a couple hours. So you were, fitting in your tabs, getting your Twitter set up, all that stuff.
Well, no, it wasn't your end. It was my end, just entering. Like I had.
Oh, got it.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
On my tab, I had products to sell. I was entering, so that's why it took a couple hours. If I only had one product, it probably would have taken me like 20 minutes.
Fantastic. Good. Well, guys, what I'd like to do now is enter into the questions phase of the webinar. Feel free to ask any questions you have. Okay, I'll focus on, and I would encourage you guys that are sitting there thinking about this, stop thinking about it. Jump in and do it. Click pricing in the upper right, mobile, and you can select one fan page app, right? One fan page app, which is $5 a month, and a white label if you want, which takes the Heyo branding off of it, and then click checkout right here. That way you'll be able to get in, start using it, and you can upgrade and downgrade it anytime. It's no problem. Okay, so actually, I'm in the questions right now. Shane Johnson, you're unmuted. I'm going to put you on the spot. What do you think about this content? What questions do you have?
Did you say Shane?
I did. You're unmuted.
Okay, I'm here. That was great. I have another question for you, though, Nathan.
Sure.
I'm just wondering how you could drive more additional traffic using Facebook pay-per-click ads to the mobile app, but specifically to a deal or an offer. Have you got anything along those lines?
Yeah, so one thing that is really, really cool that I love is, Shane, are you using anyone right now to do your text message marketing, like Tatango or Call Loop?
No, but you guys showed me Tatango before, and I've taken a look at it, but I haven't used it.
Okay, so use Tatango. Okay, what Tatango does is it's like email marketing, except it's text message marketing. So
Right.
instead of collecting emails, you're collecting phone numbers.
Okay.
Okay. Now, Shane, I'm about to give you a brilliant strategy. Ready for it?
I'm ready.
In Facebook, put ads, run ads that say text to the number 32998, the word yes, and we'll text you a mobile deal. Now, why is this such a brilliant strategy? Because if you're paying per click, but you're telling them to just, when they see it here, to text it, they never click it.
Right.
So you're capturing a phone number for free.
Awesome.
Then what do? You text them a link to your mobile deal in the Heyo app. Isn't that great?
I like it. So you're saying to use Tatango to do that, though, right?
Yes, Tatango. Or call Loop, Calloop.
Okay. Awesome.
All right, Shane. Thanks, brother. All right, Keith Vashon. Keith, talk to me. What'd you think? What questions do you have?
It's all really cool as ways to, especially my brother owns a diner, so I'm thinking of making him a page and having the ability for folks even right there to be able to click the link. So having that inside the about on the Facebook, which they can get to on their phone, but then if they can't get to some of the Heyo apps that are built for him, like the menu and things like that, that are better than any regular Facebook page. So I really, really like that idea.
Good. Any questions for me?
I don't know how deep you want to get into this one, but I'm part of Nick Unsworth's group, and he's got the reviews that at this point cannot be entered mobily. So just looking eventually for a way to be able to have that. It seems like any HTTPS cannot still be seen on the Heyo mobile, but I'm not sure. It's actually been a few weeks since I've tried. I don't know if that's something that could ever be done on mobile.
Yeah, check this out. Okay, we're going to go to social. Again, this is so easy to use. It's actually really addicting. Okay, let's just go in here and go to widgets. We'll go to the fan review app. Here it is. Drag, drop. Oh, shoot. I don't have an ID to use. Dang it. Well, you would drag it on and then convert this tab into mobile.
Mm-hmm.
Show the mobile tab right here, and when they click it, they'll see the fan reviews on the mobile app.
Wow, so that's actually his the Smash It Social, the actual app, right?
It is. It's amazing.
Wow. Cool.
Yeah, it's really, really brilliant. You really got to get in here, man. I can show you guys all day long. You really got to get in here and spend $5. That's nothing. Spend $5. Get the mobile app. If you don't like it, just downgrade. It's no problem. But you got to use it. You're going to see the value just like Tammy did. Drag, drop, put it in the tab, then go to mobile, and you can convert that tab to show right in the mobile device. Isn't that awesome?
Wow, if that can do what I think it can do, that just answers so many questions and solves so many things for me. That's great.
Keith, man, I promise it absolutely can. I want you to go do that right now, okay?
Actually, at this moment, I cannot. I have to do it in a few minutes, but I will do it.
Like Richard Branson tweeted at us today. This is what he said. Screw it, let's do it. So Keith, screw it, let's do it. Call us. Keith, I want you to call us later today when you do that, okay?
Okay, I will.
Do you know our number?
I think I can find it, but if you want to give it to me.
How are you going to call us if you don't know our number? See, you're just agreeing with me.
Oh, you know what it is? Because I look and I search and I find. So if it's on your website, I will call.
This is the number.
800-884.
Call us later today when you get that live. We want to check it out.
I definitely will. Thank you.
You bet. Okay, I'm going to keep asking questions here. Okay, guys, what other questions you guys have? For folks that are looking to create a QR code, I'll make a deal with you. Any of you guys that signed up, we'll help you generate that QR code. Okay? any of you guys that signed up, call us at this number, and we'll help you generate that QR code. Alrighty, Heather? Okay, Art Colt said, what's the market pricing on something like this? Let me unmute Tammy since she's already doing it. Tammy, what are people selling mobile apps for? What does it cost?
Oh, I'm sorry, Nathan. I wouldn't know because I never went down that path because I knew it was going to be outrageously expensive. I didn't even
Got
search it out.
Yeah, so Art, I mean, you could do $1,000, $2,000, $3,000. People are, I mean, mobile apps are huge. Just go on Odesk or search. People are charging a lot of money for these things. Okay? All right, great. Here's what I'd like you guys to do, because again, we're all about action. I know that you guys can get a mobile app launched in the next hour and a half. So Tammy, St. John Martin, Shane Johnson, we've got Keith Vashon and John Slingsby, and then Jim Strickland, Heather Harold, Dino White, and we got one more, Art Colt and Dave Cube. I want you guys to call us in exactly 60 minutes at the number you see on my screen. Okay? Call us when you've published your mobile app. We want to do a blog post about you. Okay? All you folks launching mobile apps, call us in 60 minutes when you do that. We'll do a blog post about it, which will drive you extra traffic and visibility. All right? This is free. It doesn't get better than this. This is free PR for you guys, okay? So call us in an hour when you launch it. Deal? Is that a deal, guys? Yes or no? Is that a deal? We got a deal? Okay. Good. Heather said yes. Jim said yes. Shane, yes. Tammy, yes. Very good. Let me unmute Dino White. Dino, you joined a little late. How are you?
Hey, good, Nathan. I'm very good, thank you. This is great to hear all the things you're doing and see this as well. I've been sitting in the back corner of your presentations for a while now. I guess you know that, but it's okay. I'm caught up in the middle of a presentation that I'm about to give to a charter school for the Heyo package, the overall website,
Great,
web,
man.
phone, all that, all those things. I'm getting ready to do it with them.
What do you charge for it?
They're nonprofit, they're a new thing, and I'm just going to charge them a really low price, but I'm also going to tie some things in as well. I mean, I am not charging anywhere near what I'll be charging everyone else, but this is one of those things where I'm receiving the goodness of your efforts, so I'm going to pass it on to an organization. So I'm looking at only whole package actually only about $1,500 a year.
Great. Well, hey, Dino, go crush it for $1,500. That's wonderful. Well, guys, look, thank you so much for joining me. I love these kind of small groups with folks like yourselves. I just ask this. If you guys enjoyed this, okay, if you'd like us to keep doing these little small ones private with you, again, there's only 10, 20 of you guys on, which is great. I can get to know you personally. Would you guys mind going to our fan page right now and just leaving a quick comment about what you thought of the content? Art and Tammy and Shane and Jim, would you guys mind doing that? We'd appreciate that support, and it'll help us understand if we're doing a good job for you guys. We want to make sure we're giving you the best content we can and serving you to our fullest potential, okay? All right, guys. Well, from Nathan and the entire team here at Heyo, thank you so much for choosing to work with us. We really consider it a privilege, and we can't wait to continue working with you guys through 2013 and beyond. All right, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.